Hey everyone, I'm so glad you're here, and I can't wait to take you on an unforgettable journey through one of Europe's most beautiful cities. Welcome back to the Travel Partner channel, or if you're new, bonjour from Geneva. This is your go-to place for all things travel, and today we're diving into the heart of Switzerland's cultural capital. I'm Sarah, your travel guide and fellow explorer. Today, I'll be sharing 20 essential tips to make your 2026 Geneva trip absolutely amazing, whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your very first visit. Geneva is a city full of surprises, so whether you're coming for the famous sights, the hidden gems, or just to soak up the lakeside atmosphere, I've got insider secrets and creative ideas to help you experience the city in a totally new way. So get comfy, maybe grab some delicious Swiss chocolate or your favorite drink, and let's start dreaming about your Geneva adventure together. From food to festivals and lakeside strolls to mountain views, I promise you'll find inspiration for every kind of traveler. Ready? Let's go. Geneva's public transport system is truly a marvel, efficient, clean, and incredibly easy to use. Whether you're hopping on a sleek tram, catching a bright yellow bus, or gliding across the sparkling waters of Lake Geneva on the charming Moet's boats, getting around the city feels effortless and even a bit magical. The network covers every corner of Geneva, connecting neighborhoods, attractions, and even the lakeshore, so you're never far from your next adventure. One of the best perks for visitors is the Geneva Transport Card. If you're staying at a hotel, hostel, or even a campsite, you'll receive this card for free at check-in. It gives you unlimited rides on trams, buses, trains, and boats throughout your stay, making it easy to explore without worrying about buying tickets or counting coins. With your card in hand, you can hop from the cobbled streets of the Old Town to the impressive United Nations headquarters, or travel from the tranquil lakeside to breathtaking mountain views, all seamlessly and all included. The system is designed for both locals and tourists, so you'll find clear signs and helpful maps everywhere. And when it comes to timing, Geneva's public transport is famously punctual. Trams and buses arrive right on schedule, down to the minute. That's Swiss precision in action. You can rely on digital timetables and clocks at every stop, so you'll never be left waiting or wondering when your ride will arrive. If you ever feel unsure, don't hesitate to ask a local. Genevans are known for their friendliness and are always happy to help visitors find their way or recommend the best route to your destination. For anyone used to hectic, crowded commutes, Geneva's system is a breath of fresh air. The rides are smooth, the vehicles are clean, and the atmosphere is calm. Sometimes it feels more like a scenic tour than public transport. So, whether you're heading to a museum, a lakeside cafe, or just exploring the city, hop on, sit back, and enjoy the ride. Geneva's public transport truly makes every journey part of the adventure. There's no bad season in Geneva, but each one has its own special charm. Spring is lovely with flowers blooming in parks and lively cafes. Summer means walks by the lake, boat rides, and festivals everywhere. Autumn is golden and cozy, with grape harvests and fewer crowds. Winter sparkles with holiday lights, maybe some snow, and quick train trips to the Alps. Just check the weather and bring layers of clothes. Geneva weather loves surprises. When traveling in Switzerland, it's important to know that the official currency is the Swiss franc, abbreviated as CHF. Unlike many neighboring countries, Switzerland does not use the euro as its main currency, so you'll need to have Swiss francs on hand for most purchases. While some tourist spots may accept euros, you'll usually get change in francs, and the exchange rate may not be in your favor. Credit and debit cards, as well as mobile payment options like Apple Pay and Google Pay, are widely accepted in Geneva's shops, restaurants, and hotels. However, it's still a good idea to carry a small amount of cash, especially for local markets, small cafes, or when using public transport ticket machines that may not accept cards. ATMs are easy to find throughout the city, and they're a convenient way to withdraw Swiss francs. Just be mindful of any fees your home bank might charge for international withdrawals. and check if your card offers favorable exchange rates. When paying by card, you might be asked whether you want to pay in your home currency or in Swiss francs. Always choose Swiss francs for the best exchange rate and to avoid extra conversion fees that can add up quickly. Tipping in Switzerland isn't obligatory, as service charges are usually included in your bill. Still, it's common and appreciated to round up the total or leave a small tip, especially if you've received excellent service. Geneva is known for its high-quality goods, from luxury watches to delicious chocolates. While prices can be higher than in other cities, you can expect exceptional craftsmanship and service, making your purchases truly worthwhile. French is Geneva's main language, but English is spoken a lot in places tourists go. Knowing a few French words goes a long way. Bonjour, hello, merci, thank you, s'il vous plaît, please, and au revoir, goodbye. People appreciate the effort, even if your accent isn't perfect. Stick with French in Geneva, and you'll fit right in. Geneva's famous sights are waiting. Start with the Jet d'eau, the city's well-known water fountain. Wander the old town's cobblestone streets and comfy cafes. Climb St. Pierre Cathedral for amazing views. Visit the United Nations headquarters. The tours are really interesting, even if you're not into politics. Art lovers, don't miss the Musée d'Art et d'Histoire or the Patek Philippe Museum. Every corner tells a story. Take your time and take it all in. Geneva's food scene is a mix of Swiss traditions and French style. Try fondue or raclette, it's cheese heaven. And don't skip Swiss chocolate from famous chocolate makers. For something sweet, grab a slice of tarte au pruneau, plum tart, from a local bakery. Treat yourself to dinner by the lake with views of the Jet d'eau. Every meal here is a memory. Geneva offers lots of free fun. Start with a walk by the lake or a picnic in Parc des Bastions. Swim at Bain des Paquis for just a few francs, or it's free on certain days. Museums like Musée d'Art et d'Histoire are free on the first Sunday of the month. Don't miss the flower clock, it's famous and totally free. Geneva's location is great for day trips. Take the cable car up Mont Salève for amazing views and hiking. Visit Annecy, which is called the Venice of the Alps. Or hop to Lausanne for lakeside parks and the Olympic Museum. Every trip is a new adventure. Just hop on a train and go. Pack your camera and see where the day takes you. Geneva is one of the world's safest cities, but stay aware in busy areas. Use a bag across your body or a money belt to avoid small thefts. Emergency numbers: 117 for police, 118 for fire, 144 for medical help. Pharmacies and hospitals are excellent, and most staff speak English. Trust your gut feeling and enjoy the city without worries. Know you've been a good friend. If you're loving these tips, hit subscribe for more travel stories and inside advice. Got a question or tip? Put it in the comments. I love hearing from you. Let's keep exploring together. Shopping in Geneva is a treat. Think Swiss watches, handmade chocolate, and cool finds at the Plain Palais flea market. Look at the store windows along Rue de Rhône or pick up a classic Swiss Army knife. Take your time and enjoy the search. Shopping here is all about the experience. Bring home a piece of Geneva you'll really value. Being polite is important. Always say bonjour, hello, and thank with merci, thank you, au revoir, goodbye. Tipping isn't required, but rounding up the bill is a nice gesture. Don't cross the street wherever you want. Keep your voice down on public transport and be on time. A little kindness goes a long way. Geneva will welcome you with open arms. Geneva is super bike-friendly with special lanes and pretty routes by the lake. Rent a bike, regular or electric, at stations around the city, or join a guided tour for local stories. It's a fun, earth-friendly way to explore and get some exercise. Drivers are used to cyclists, so you'll feel safe. Put on your helmet and pedal through Geneva's beautiful streets. Geneva has a neighborhood for every style and budget. Stay in Centre-Ville for all the action, Eau Vive for calm by the lake, or Plain Palais for a cool artistic feel. Hostels and guest houses are great for travelers on a budget, and fancy hotels offer amazing lake views. The city isn't very big. Wherever you stay, you're close to the fun. Geneva's 2026 calendar is full of events. Don't miss the Fête de la Musique music festival in June, or the Lake Parade's floating party. Car lovers, check out the Geneva International Motor Show. December brings the Escalade Festival with parades and chocolate pots. There's always something to celebrate. Check the calendar before you go. Free Wi-Fi is everywhere. Hotels, cafes, and public places. Need more data? Grab a local SIM card for better coverage. Charging stations are at the airport and train stations, so your devices are always powered up. Geneva is set up for adventure. Share those lake selfies in real time. Geneva makes sustainable travel easy. Use public transport, rent bikes, and refill your water bottle at city fountains. Many hotels are eco-certified, and recycling bins are everywhere. Travel green and enjoy the city's clean, fresh vibe.